Are you excited to start the new year with a big bang? Well, I'm more excited about introducing this new video series that may be useful to you. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn more. Now, if you read the title of this video, you already know the name of the series. It is called Computers for Newbies and Seniors. But before I explain more about this series, I need to ask a huge favor from you. We need your help to get this video in front of many eyeballs. Why? We want to educate and help as many people with computers as we can. You can help us out by watching all the videos in this series from start to finish, liking and sharing them with others, and also give us feedback on how we can improve future videos. So please help us get these videos in front of the people who need it the most. This series is for the absolute beginners. Some of them may not even seen a computer, heard of a computer. We'll be discussing things like computer terminology. This is what a keyboard looks like and what you use it for. This is a mouse. This is what kind of cables your computer might have. What kind of types of computers. The possibilities are endless. The goal of this series is to make it simple and easy to understand. What is good about this series is you can watch it as many times as you like. You might probably think that I went
cuckoo, nuts, crazy,
and thinking that how is people going to watch this video if they haven't touched a computer before? Well, that's where you come in. Simply grab your learner in front of the computer and press play. So make sure you get subscribed, hit the bell so you don't miss out on future Computers for Newbies and Seniors video series. Become a patron so you can help us continue to provide high quality educational content. If you've already done that, watch our latest video so you can stay up to date with the latest education. Oh, you already done that? Well, we had to ask YouTube to recommend you something else. Go and watch it now. You'll find it very educational.